ISS Aerospace, a frontrunner in UK's UAV tech, reveals the WASP M4-TL tube-launched tactical UAS. WASP signifies advanced tech in semi-autonomous aerial systems, bridging flexibility with cost-effective enhancements. The UAS targets defense and security, perfect for crucial detector and effector operations, and includes the following abilities: find and understand, multi-domain situational awareness and threat assessment, strike, loitering weapon platform for ground attack or maritime force protection, sustain, urgent medical deliveries for preservation of life. WASP boasts of a less than 3-second deployment time and offers man portability. It can be launched by a person or remotely when mounted on varied platforms like vehicles or ships. Post a rocket launch, the platform transitions into conventional multi-rotor flight. The system's durability ensures long-term storage without compromising rapid usability. The UAS sports a high-end gimbal-mounted EO/IR camera with a rangefinder and supports a modular payload of up to 1.5 kg. Its resilient communication framework facilitates shared, real-time imagery and control options. The patented concept by ISS Aerospace allows customization per client requirements. Ryan Kempley, the CEO of ISS Aerospace, envisions significant interest in WASP due to its vast applications and distinctive tactical edge. That's it for today. To stay up to date on AI plus military developments, don't forget to subscribe.